Hey guys, how's it going today? So in today's video, I'm going to share with you what is a sales funnel and why is it so important for marketers, for entrepreneurs to use this to get more sales as an affiliate marketer, or if you want to have your coaching business or you want to create your own courses, how to get a lot of sales in terms of your product you're trying to promote. So I currently have sales funnels for myself to bring in a little more leads to my page, more opt-ins, more sales, and how to build my email list. So let's talk about the first one right here. What is a traffic source? The first thing in a sales funnel is traffic. So you need a lot of traffic to your sales funnel. So from social media such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and YouTube. If you have those traffic sources coming to your sales funnel, that is very vital. The more eyeballs, the more people look at your sales funnel, the higher chance you'll get more sales in the end of the funnel. The next step of creating a sales funnel is having your own landing page. So if you've seen a couple of posts maybe on Facebook or Instagram, say like, hey, put your email address here and we'll send you a cheat sheet, we'll send you a free PDF file. The purpose of those people putting on landing pages is so they can opt in and get your email address. So for example, if they're giving some freebies, giving you a free course, a free PDF, a free cheat sheet, in terms of Shopify, in terms of creating your own course from scratch, how they got a case study of getting $6,000 in terms of 2 months. They want you to basically sign up through their landing page using your email so you get that information. So that's very crucial. The first one, we're getting traffic source, so for social media, for example, and then go to your landing page. All right, guys. So the next one is so they sign up on your landing page. And basically, once they sign your landing page, they'll be opted into an autoresponder. I will explain more on the module below in terms of autoresponder and how to create your own landing pages and everything. So if some reason someone doesn't want to purchase your product or sale, they'll get into an autoresponder. And the purpose of an autoresponder is to first create your different types of emails of that person's opt-in. So say the person that signed on your landing page, his name is Paul. So you make an email saying, hey there, Paul, thank you for opting in to my my landing page. Here's the information that you're looking for. So the purpose of the follow-up emails is to create more of your presence in terms of your product. So you can put up to 10 emails, and if for some reason people don't sign up as a sale, then you can promote them with your emails until you get a sale. So this is kind of like a backup, and what I learned from reading a lot of books in terms of entrepreneurship is the money is in the list. If you understand that. So the more people in your email, the more people you can build your list and the more profits you can get in the long run as well. So skipping to this landing page right here, it comes to the sales. So for example, you got traffic source, you have 1,000 people in terms of your landing page, and then you'll hit and get some sales as well, because the purpose of this is providing more curiosity in terms of the product you're promoting. So this is basically the beginner presence of what a funnel is. This is very important, because there's a difference between having a website and having a funnel, if you really think about it. Because if you're having a website, you can't track how many people are in your website. You can't see how many clicks you got on your website. You can't really target what kind of demographic on your website. But having your own funnel, for example, you can see how many people are opting into your landing page, how many people have your email list, and how many sales you're getting in terms of your affiliate program. So if you have an understanding of this is a good basics of having a funnel. It's very important to create one of your own, because this will be a faster process of getting more sales on autopilot, for example. So let me show you guys a quick picture of what I'm talking about. So right here, I just made a quick, I just drew this out for you guys, maybe explain a little bit better. So let's talk about having traffic right here. So traffic, like I said, social media, getting clicks on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, on Twitter, or on Snapchat. These are just example purposes of social media. You need to get as many people as traffic on your affiliate link, guys. So, once you sign up to an affiliate program, you're gonna get your own affiliate link. So you need to put all that traffic into your affiliate link, into your sales funnel. Once you create it, you will have a landing page. I'll show you in the module below how to create a landing page later on. Say like 1,000 people clicked on your sales funnel, for example, and then 500 people opt in to your landing page, and then 200 people see your offer, right? So they turn to your over that 1,000 people. Like I said, the more people, the higher chance you'll get conversions, the higher people get more sales. And then this is your commission. So say 50 people signed up through your product, you got 50 people that signed up. So if you have a $10 product and you have 50 people that sign up, that's $500. that easy to get in terms of your PayPal or put into your bank account, for example. So that's what I'm using firstly for myself, how to create funnels and how to get more sales and more commissions to my PayPal account, which is very simple, but I will teach you later on other modules about how to create this landing page. Okay, so let's go back to the offer. Right here it says 200 people, 50 people signed up. So what happened to the rest of the 150 people? The 150 people here will add to your email list. So the email list is basically having your own autoresponder. You will create different types of emails coordinated to your sales funnel in terms of product you're promoting. So that's another thing I'll teach later on the module. So even if, say, 150 people didn't sign up, there's a possibility that maybe 50 people in your email list, if you know how to target correctly using the email list, just go back to your commission and put your link in the email list and they'll sign up as a commission too. So there's two ways to make money. There's one, if they follow the sales funnel from landing page to the offer to the commission, or going through your emails and putting your link in your emails and just reminding them about the opportunity and reminding them about the product, so you get more commissions. So a lot of six-figure earners use sales funnels to drive more traffic, to drive their opt-in, build their email list, and get commissions on autopilot consistently. So the more traffic you have, paid advertisement or organic traffic, the more higher chance you can get commissions on autopilot. So I hope you guys understand this video, got some great value. Making a sales funnel is crucial in terms of your affiliate marketing product which you're promoting. And then later on the videos, I'll show you how to create your own sales funnel from scratch, guys. All right, guys? So I'll see you guys on the next video.